Yep, sanibonani guys. Peter Shalulile has scored his 29th goal of in the PSL, equaling the long-standing record of Siyabonga Nomvete. Name one striker oyaziyo currently yala eSouth Africa enamagoli ayi-70. I will wait. Ayikho. Abulai Foster ubani bani. They don't have those numbers. Abobani uLebo Muthiba doesn't have those numbers. Angazi una 15 years adlala ibhola professional mara akaza akora amagoli ayi-100. Nawa boShalulile 29 mfethu 129 goal. Damn bro. Dala ukora Shalulile. Keep it up mfana, keep it up. And if it happens Mjida aphelele contract uSundowns, Pirates need this guy mfethu. Anina striker lapha, striker sikho. Sina striker thina siyi-Pirates. Awa.